So we're standing just off the trail down one of these slopes to a stream. And this is always a good spot to look for a number of things. In the breeding season, you'll get things perhaps like ovenbirds and worm-eating warblers nesting in this area. Where the streams are a little bit more, have more water in them, Louisiana water thrush like to nest along moving streams. Thrushes. This is a good place to actually look for thrushes and get a good view of them if they're there, because you're kind of looking down at them. They like to perch about yay high in branches when they're flying around. So just take your time and scan up and down and listen, because these ridges and slopes have a lot to offer.